If you have a higher pitched voice and you cannot get your mic settings right for your live streams and your recordings, then this video is for you. It took me way too long to figure out the right OBS audio filters for my mic to sound as good as possible, because the tutorials I found were mostly for dudes or for people with lower pitched voices, and I could not figure out why that wasn't working for me. But I eventually figured out it's because my voice is higher pitched and we need different filters. So here's all the filters I currently use. Please note I am not an expert though, and this is just what works for me. You will absolutely need to do your own experimenting to figure out what works best for you. Here's the 3 filters I'm currently using, and first thing to note is I am not using a noise suppression filter. For the longest time, I could not figure out why my mic kept cutting out when I got really loud or if I screamed or something, even though I had other filters in place to keep that from happening. And it turns out that the noise suppression filter is notorious for cutting off higher pitched voices and higher pitched sounds when it's not supposed to. So I strongly encourage you to ditch that filter because it's just really unreliable. So the first actual filter I have is a compressor filter. A very basic explanation of a compressor is that it makes loud noises quieter so you don't risk your mic cutting out. The ratio is how much compression happens. The threshold is the level that a sound needs to get before compressing even starts happening. Attack is how quickly the compression happens when it meets that threshold, and release is how fast it goes back to normal or no compression. Here are the settings I currently have for each of those things. So this means when my mic hits negative 21 decibels, for every 7 decibels my mic goes over that, you only get an output of 1 decibel. It sounds very mathy, I know, but this is the ratio that works for me. The normal ratio is a 4:1 ratio, and that just didn't work for me because of how loud I can get, so I found that this works best. Again, you're gonna have to experiment to figure out which ratio and which threshold is best for you. I also have output gain added to this filter, and this works a little bit differently than adding gain from your microphone. When you add it from your mic, that just makes your mic more sensitive, but when you add it this way, it's just increasing the volume. Using a compressor filter can sort of lower the volume overall, which kind of sucks. So adding output gain back to it increases the volume to where it should be. The next filter I have is an expander filter, and this is basically the noise suppression filter I use. This one is sort of like the compressor filter, but opposite, because this one makes quiet noises quieter. So this is going to get rid of background noises, keyboard clicks, all of that stuff. This threshold means that anything under that threshold is going to get filtered out. Anything above this threshold is going to be filtered in. So you need to play around with this until all the noises you're trying to get rid of go away. If you set this too high, then it's going to start cutting out your voice, which is not what you want. And then the rest of these settings are basically the same as the compressor filter. And then lastly, I have a limiter filter, and that works as sort of a brick wall for noises. Whatever threshold you set for this, no volume is ever getting over that threshold ever. I actually have a limiter filter added to every audio source I have in OBS, so they all have that hard stop. So no sound will ever get unexpectedly too loud and hurt my viewers' ears.